Good morning, ma'am. This is our project, Flight Delay Analysis, and our teammates are Amit Kumar Gupta, registration number 20 MCA 0009, and Shiv Shankar Kumar 20 MCA 0153, and me Naveen Kumar Singh 20 MCA 0228. So in review one, we have covered abstract introduction and literature survey, uh, motivation, and proposed solution. We have covered these all topic in review one, and in the review two, we are going to explain implementation and result part and some codes of our project. So for review two, our teammates Shiv Shankar Kumar is ready to explain implementation part. Shiv Shankar, you can start.
Implementation part to implement our proposed solution for flight delay analysis. We are going to predict the result with help of the machine learning algorithm, random forest, logistic regression, and KN algorithm. Random forest random forest is a popular survival machine learning algorithm. It is used for both regression and classification problem in machine learning. Main concept of intelligent learning is a method of combine multiple classifiers to solve a complex problem and for improving the performance of the model. Contain a number of decision trees on various subsets of the given data set, and it takes to average to improve the predict accuracy of the data set. Instead of relying on decision tree, it takes the prediction from which tree and based on the majority votes of prediction and predict the final output. And logistic regression is a survival learning classification algorithm used to predict the probability of target variable. And the nature of target dependent variable is discontinuous, which means there would be only two possible classes. In simple words, the dependent variable is binary in nature, having data coded either one stand for success, yes, or stand for failure means no. Mathematically, a logistic regression model predict py equal to 1 as a function of x. It is one of the simplest machine learning algorithms that can be used various classification problems such as spam prediction, diabetes prediction, cancer prediction, and other etc. And in the figure, in logistic regression, instead of fitting regression line, we fit an S-shaped logistic function which predicts two maximum values, 0 and 1. The curve from the logistic function indicated the likelihood of something such as whether the cells are cancerous or not. A mouse is obese or not based on its weight. It is. And second is Cannon algorithm. The Cannon algorithm assumes that similar things exist in close proximity. In other words, similar things are near to each other. Amit.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Naveen Kumar Singh, and I am going to explain some code parts of our project. So here in first row, we are importing a library of Python, pandas, and NumPy. We created object as a PD and NP. Or after that, we are going to um, flight.csv file. We are going to read flight.csv file, and after that, we are checking uh, anomalies of our data set. Every data set has some anomalies like null, string, or in integer column string data set, then it will be very problematic for pre-processing and in call calculation. So we are going to check null values, and if we find null values in data set, then we will remove it. Next is here we are going to store delay column of dataset in delay one variable, and after storing in delay one variable, we are going to check if delay is greater than 15 minutes, then it will add 1, and if it is less than 15 minutes, then it will add 0. So after checking this condition, we are going to update delay column of dataset, and after updating, we will delete deep delay, which is a departure delay column. We will delete it, and after that, uh, we will check our data set like a flight dot head, and we can see here we have not anomalies in our data set. We removed it, and this is here the regression part. Here we removed all anomalies of data set. Next is feature selection. This topic or this code topic is going to discussed by our friend Amit Kumar Gupta.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Amit Kumar Gupta, and I am going to describe feature selection. In this topic, we are selecting the features. First, we import the libraries for the feature selection. That is the NumPy, sklearn, or sklearn feature selection, and we are importing the select k based object. And after that, we select the best feature based on the k highest score. K is the number of features we want to select, and after doing that, we fit the classification data, and change the slide. After that, we show the high score for each feature, and higher the score, more the importance. Means if a column has a highest score, it has the more importance. So we have finded that, and after that we create a data frame and store the and uh, name the variable and score the column with a decreasing order to display and compare each feature. And after that, to represent our feature selection data. In this, we have done till now we have done this part, the pre-processing part. After that, we are going to apply some algorithm to find the accuracy of our project, and the result slide. Yeah, result is the before pre-processing our data set is look like the some unnecessary field, some unnecessary column. There are some anomalies, some there are inconsistent data, there are negative values. There are lots of anomalies in our data set. So after when we done the pre-processing, means after pre-processing our data set look like, change the slide. Yeah, our data set is look like this type. We have deleted some column because these are the not required for our project. I mean, this is the not required to predict to analyze the flight delay analysis, and we have done like this. And after that, we are going to implement some uh, some algorithm to predict analyze the flight delay system. In our final review, we will show that. Till now we have done till that, and these are the references we used. Paper for the references. We have used this paper, IEEE papers, for our references for this project. That's all for it. Now I am going to present IPYNV file that I have done here in the Jupyter notebook. We have created all the things, and we have run everything. Like first importing the file, reading the data set, as my friend Naveen told us that we have done these things. We have removing the null values and filling with the mean value. uh, we have the fill the null values with the mean value of that column, and in place equals to true, that means we have updated in our data set. So these are the things we have done. After that, filling with the null value, we checked and there is no null value in our data set, like you have seen, like 000. So there is a no null value present in our any column. After that, we stores the data set in delay one variable, the delay one variable columns of, and if delay is greater than 15 minutes, we will append 1, otherwise we will append 0 in our delay column. And after that, we will update the delay with the with this 15 minute 1 or 0 we have done. So after that, we will update the delay column with the delay variable. Then after, we have deleted some unnecessary column. As I told, these are the not required for our data set, not required for our the this project. So we have dropped that column. And after that, we have shown here flight.head. These are our data set, and a storing and feature selection done, as I told you that feature selection evoked. So these are the things that we have done till review 2. After that, yeah, everything is executing nicely, there is no error. And after that, we will do some apply some algorithm to predict. That's all for our review 2. And yeah. That's all for the review 2. In the review 3, we will show all the graph, all the result, and all the algorithm applied. We have going to apply algorithm in that. We will show all of them. So that's all for the review 2. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.